how to apply change case. If you want to apply change case, you just highlight the text involved, you click on home menu, you come up here, you just click the drop down arrow, sentence case, let's start one after the other. You click the first character of the sentence will be capital letter, then you go back, you say lowercase, that means all of them will be in lowercase or small letter. However, you come back, you click uppercase, that is to make all of them capital letter. Then you can increase the font. You come up again, one after the other, like I said, capitalize each word. That means each word in the sentence start with capital letter. That is how it operates. You come up, this toggle case changes based on each variation. You can see you can always change from here.